Welcome to Design, Draw, Create. In this video, I'll show you how to make this simple card. The supplies you'll need are shown here. I used cardstock, glue, scissors, pencil, a thin black pen, and some red sparkly paper for the heart, which you could easily change. Start by drawing out the words in pencil. Once you are happy with the placement of the words, use your thin black pen to trace over what you had just drawn out. Next, it's time to make your heart. So take your small sheet of paper. Here again, I'm using some red sparkly paper, and flip it over and draw out a heart using your pencil on the back of the paper. This paper size or square is approximately 2 inches by 2 inches. Then use your scissors to cut out the heart. Once you have your cut out heart, place it on the card to make sure the alignment is where you want. And once you're happy with it, use your glue to glue the heart on. And once the glue is dry, your card is complete. This is a really simple card that could be used for many different occasions. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.